Hello everyone, this is Swapna Bhavsar from the channel The Tech Outlook. In today's video, I will be talking about MapReduce function in MongoDB. Before going in detail, I would request to those who haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe it and just click on this bell icon button. Thank you. So what is an introduction of MapReduce function? As per the MongoDB documentation, MapReduce is a data processing paradigm for condensing large volumes of data into useful aggregated results. So here we have to focus on aggregated results. With the help of MapReduce function, we get aggregated results. MongoDB uses MapReduce command for MapReduce operations. We have to use this MapReduce command in MongoDB while executing MapReduce operations. MapReduce is generally used for processing large data set. So what is the syntax of MapReduce function? This is nothing but the first command db.collection.mapreduce. Before executing MapReduce function in MongoDB, we have to create collection first, and on that collection we will be executing MapReduce function. So db.collection.mapreduce, and then we are executing firstly map function and then reduce function. What map function does? It is nothing but JavaScript function which is used to produce key value pairs. We all know that in MongoDB all the documents are in key value fashion. We have key and we have values for that key, like id colon 1, name colon swapna, likewise. So this is nothing but key value pair. So with the help of map function, firstly all key value pairs will be generated. So if in a collection we have 10 documents, so 10 key value pairs will be emitted, will be generated, will be produced. This is nothing but map function. And the second one is reduce function, in which function key comma values which will return aggregated result. Return reduce function. So here it will produce or it will make a group of same keys. So if in a document we have 10 collections, and in that collection if two collections are having same key, then with the same key one group will be created, one group will be produced. That is nothing but reduce function. And whatever we are executing for that map reduce function, that result will be stored into another collection. For that we are using out colon collection. That is nothing but out and then collection, the collection in which we are storing the result. So the same explanation here I have written. Map is a JavaScript function that maps a value with key and emits or produces a key value pairs. Reduce is a JavaScript function that reduces or groups all the documents having same key. If in a document we have 10 documents with the same key, then only one group will be generated. That is nothing but reduce function. And the last one is out, which is used to specify the location of the map reduce query result. So here I have given an explanation about MapReduce function and the syntax of MapReduce function. In the next video, I will be executing MapReduce function in MongoDB. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.